The Ukrainian government has assured the federal government of its commitment to establishing grain hubs in Nigeria and other African countries. The Ukrainian Minister of Agrarian Policy and Food, Kola, Solskyiat, reviewed this during a meeting with Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyeama in Abuja. Mariam Mohammed has more.
Nigeria's agricultural sector contributes a significant part of the country's GDP by 30%. Despite these contributions, the nation's agricultural sector faces many challenges which have impacted on its productivity. Such challenges include poor land tenure system, low level of irrigation farming, climate change, among others. This is why the Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Agricultural and Rural Development have welcomed the Grains Initiative by the Ukrainian counterparts. At this meeting, Nigeria's Foreign Affairs Minister Geoffrey Onyeama empathized with Ukraine over the ongoing war with Russia, but also commends their efforts in reaching out to Nigeria and other African countries. He assures his Ukrainian counterpart of Nigeria's commitment to strengthen relations between both countries.
The situation in which your country finds itself, that you are able to reach out a hand of friendship and support to not just Nigeria but other African countries. This demonstrates superhuman courage and that we really admire, as well as generosity.
Ukrainian Minister for Agrarian Policy and Food, Solskyiat, on his part, disclosed that grains from Ukraine would arrive Nigeria in February under an initiative called Grains from Ukraine. He also explained that Ukrainian government and president is ready to pay a lot of attention to its developments.
And taking into consideration the capacity of your country and the size of your country, grain hub in your country is priority number one. And I'm very happy to hear that the honorary minister says he is ready to discuss it. If we manage to implement it, it will be a practical step towards business reaching a new level.
Nigeria's Minister for Agriculture and Rural Development, Muhammad Abubakar, disclosed that Nigeria is ready to provide appropriate grain hub for the projects.
They have the technology, they have the know-how. Wheat is one of the grains that we are really dealing with in Ukraine, and they have their own varieties. We'll have arrangement where capacity building will be part of whatever relationship we are going to have with Ukraine, and that will be a win-win situation.
Ministers of Foreign Affairs, Agriculture and Rural Development explained that Lagos and Onne Port are being considered for the appropriate grain hub. Mariam Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.